What's up, everyone? I am Izzy B 1993. I am in Mason, Ohio. I am at Great Wolf Lodge. I will give you a tour. So here is like where the bathroom sink's gonna be, and they gave us some soap. So I'm gonna open the soap. It's a pole. This is where my bathing suits are, towel. And this is the couch that turns into a bed. Here's a DJ table. And the view! Look at them. We can see all those rides over there, which I don't think we're going to go on though. Hi guys, I am back and I'm going to be jumping off. And it is really scary since I see you. And then I'm going to do it in a 3, 2, 1! Ah! That was awesome. I'm so excited. Woo! Hi guys, I am at Great Wolf Lodge Water Park. I'm about to go on the obstacle. I'm back. So, I'm about to go out to eat and I'm going to take y'all with me. I'll tag y'all back when I'm there. Bye. Party in the elevator. Waiting. Hi guys, I'm at Outback and I'm going to eat this lemon.
Can I give you more time? How was it?
I'm not doing that yet. I'm done. Hi guys, I'm at a bandit factory. Part of it they turned into a restaurant, and that's where we're going to be eating. So I wanted to explore. I put my hand right here and I was like, that is disgusting. There is like, I don't know what that red stuff is. Probably blood. So that is very creepy. Okay, and there's like holes and spiders. And there's a lot of red stuff. And there's like beat up marks. We're gonna go walk on a trail. I wanted to show this since it's neat. So it's very cute. Hi guys, I just found this and I don't know what's down there. It is very creepy. There might be snakes. Hi guys, if you look up there, they might look like little white markers, but they actually are trees. These are trees too. There's a river behind us. Come look. Look at that bridge. There's people going kayaking. And it's a really pretty river. Look at this scary drop off. What's up guys, hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, I'm back home relaxing. I had a lot of fun at Great Wolf Lodge. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.